I'm not really bothered about my armpits being darker than my skin tone. Like, if that's your problem, that's your problem. That's why it's your problem. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Happiness Majone, the return subscriber. You know the love I got for you. So today is just the end of today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my waxing from home. As you can see, we have a situation going on under my armpits and we do not like the situation at all. I literally had to grow this hair for you guys so that I show you. I've never waxed before by myself. I always go to the waxing lady. Sorry, waxing lady, I betrayed you, but I want to try this at home because of the COVID situation, you know. So yeah, I have my mirror on this side, so if you see me looking this way, just know I'm just trying to check what's popping right here, and I make time with you guys. So I have all my things with me. Welcome to my bathroom. So without further ado, let us jump right into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is just clean your armpits to get rid of all the dust and sweat and all that. So once my armpits are dry, I'll be using, I do not have cornstarch, so this is what I'll be using. I'll be using this baby powder. It's about to get messy. So now that we have finished putting on the baby powder, it's time to apply the wax. So before you apply your wax, ladies and gentlemen, if you want, you have to really check what direction your hair grows. So mine is basically down. Mine grows this direction, or mine is just everywhere. I don't know where mine grows. Time for waxing. So this is my wax. I have a video of how I made this wax. You can go check it. I'll be leaving a link down in the description box. I'm not a professional. One. You need to pull this kid too. Oh, that was a fail. That was a fail. Ew. I'm sorry guys, but I have to show you this. This is the hair that I got out. This is the hair. So, after I did the first funny nose string, this is what it looks like. fast armpits. There are hairs that we still remaining. It's proving to be difficult, but I'm gonna deal with them later. Let us go on to the other hand. I read somewhere that if you are waxing, you need to breathe in and breathe out when you're pulling out the strip. It actually helps, so we are going to be doing that. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. It's painful as hell. I've never been to hell, but I decided to wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe. It's messy, it's messy. I'm so done. I am so done. I am back and after torturing myself, guys, for about 15 minutes or less, this is the results that we are having after waxing. I'm not really bothered about my armpits being darker than my skin tone. Like, if that's your problem, that's your problem. That's why it's your problem. Let me know what you think down in the comment section about this little mini bathroom waxing.